This may look like a normal gaming chair, but not only does this have incredible lumbar support, amazing materials used, and designed ergonomically to be out of this world, but sporting a secret right here. Keep watching and you'll find out what that is. In this box is the Ace Pro from GTPlayer. Now it's an ergonomic gaming chair with inbuilt Bluetooth 5.1 speakers. In this video, I'm gonna get it open, I'm gonna test it out, I'm gonna see what it's all about and give you my thoughts. So let's go. So first up, I am gonna get everything assembled. It does come with everything that you need, including this tool right here. Now, I know it's not the most important thing of the overall product, but with gaming chairs in the past, I do think that the assembly process is important because you're gonna be doing it yourself and I want it to be user-friendly. So I'm gonna be rating that as well. I just want to take a minute to shout out this guy right here. A lot of times when you're buying office chairs or gaming chairs, they come with a small little Allen key and it's so difficult to use. This though has been a game changer. Okay, and there you have it, it's put together. It really wasn't that hard. The instructions were super clear. And like I said, that tool was just a game changer. It really didn't cramp up my hands, nothing like that. It's not super complex. Everything goes together pretty easy actually. So let's go over some features. First of all, the ergonomic design. Let's check this out. So you can see the design of the backrest. It is designed to actually fit your back a little bit better. Plus, we've got 15% wider wings here, so you actually sit into the chair rather than onto the chair. And those 15% wider side wings are actually a game changer. It's designed to uniquely allow different body shapes and types to sit comfortably for a long period of time. The lumbar support and headrest actually relieve fatigue and discomfort during a long period of time. As someone who struggles with lower back pain, this chair is absolutely stunning. It was beyond expectations that I could sit there playing games or working for a long period of time and not get that discomfort, all because of the fantastic ergonomic designs from the Ace Pro chair. Now I have the Ace Pro back in my studio. We can go over some of these fantastic features that this chair offers. Now, first of all, let's break down the basics. Yes, up and down. But what they do here is it's incredibly smooth. It allows you to actually set your height perfectly, and you have all the control, making sure that you're getting the perfect height that you need. And the second lever gives you complete unmatched control over your backrest. So you can lock it in place at that perfect spot. So that means if you have a certain angle that you absolutely love and it feels the best for your body, you can lock it in place just perfect and you can sit there, game, work, whatever you need to do, and you're gonna have zero issues. Never any worries when you're leaning back. It's safe, secure, it feels like a warm hug. Now, you want a little break, you want to get more comfortable. That's where that lever comes into play. You unlock it and it smoothly goes back. It's not jarring, it's not aggressive, it smoothly goes back. The quality of just these basic features are just exceptional and gives you every inch of control. And obviously the Ace Pro has gaming in mind, so it's all about being comfortable for a long period of time. So if you take a look down here, we do actually have a footrest, so you can be extra comfortable while gaming. The Ace Pro from GTPlayer isn't just all ergonomics though. It has another incredible feature that's just gonna elevate your whole gaming experience or even working. The Ace Pro actually has 2 inbuilt Bluetooth speakers. That means you can connect this to a device and play surround sound music. So this is designed, and in my opinion actually achieves it. It elevates your whole experience. It makes it immersive. It's hard to convey through a video, but it is really something you need to witness for yourself. It comes with a Bluetooth receiver in the chair, which makes connecting to your device super simple. That is crazy. The The quality of those speakers are incredible. I'm hearing every single little detail. And because of surround sound, it means you're gonna hear the footsteps over to the right or the gunshots over to the left. And it's really gonna give you that immersive experience. And honestly, it's gonna give you that advantage in the gameplay as well. So let's break it down. Not only is the Ace Pro made with incredible materials that are actually soft and comfortable to sit on, they put so much detail into the ergonomics of the chairs, designed to battle fatigue with the headrest and the lumbar support, to combat discomfort and allow all different body sizes to enjoy this one seat with the 15% wider wings. The ability to have complete control over your height settings, or to be able to lean back to that perfect angle and set it so you can rest at the most comfortable point. And then topped off with these incredible Bluetooth speakers that just really create an immersive experience. I highly doubt that you've ever witnessed a gaming chair like this. If you're ready to take your gaming to the next level and actually live a immersive experience, we're gonna leave a link down below. Go check it out for yourself. Comment, like, and share this with a friend if you're ready to level up. And of course, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.